Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to install or uninstall optional features on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can try this easy and simple method. First you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open these settings. In these settings guys, from the left panel go to apps like this, and in the right panel here you can get the optional feature. Just click and open it, okay, like this. So here I have installed some optional features. As you can see guys, if you want to add more optional features to your PC, so just click on view features like this, and here it will get you all optional feature available on your PC. If you want to search any optional feature by entering that name, you can easily able to search that feature, okay. If you want to install it, just select this and then click on next, okay. So it will start the installing process. In case if you want to uninstall any optional feature from your PC, in the home screen of optional feature, extend this and here you can get the option uninstall. If you want to uninstall, just click on it. That's it, okay. So that's it. Okay guys, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.